Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your ChatGPT plan. So go to ChatGPT and sign into your account. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you'll find a few different ways to upgrade. So on the lower left side, there's an upgrade button. So you can click on that and upgrade your plan. Or you can also click your profile or your name on the bottom left corner and click upgrade plan. You can also go to settings, then go to billing and click upgrade right here. So let's click that. So this will take you to the available plans. So here you may see options for personal and business plans at the top. So in this video, I'll show you personal options. So in here, you'll see the plan you're currently using along with the available upgrades, such as ChatGPT Go, ChatGPT Plus, and ChatGPT Pro. So let's say I want to upgrade to ChatGPT Pro. So I'll simply click upgrade to Pro and I'll be taken to the checkout page. So from here, you can enter your payment information. So you can put in your card number, expiration date, and security code. And you can review the monthly price.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So depending on the options available, you may be able to pay using a credit card, debit card, or Google Pay. So once you've entered all the required details, complete the payment by clicking subscribe and your ChatGPT plan will be upgraded. And that's it. So upgrading your ChatGPT plan is very quick and easy. Thank you for watching.